floppies, how much each media type is popular.
Can I issue multiple books at a time?
No, that depends on your user level.
Means?
When you create a member, there is a master member type where you can create you create there over the master member types. Suppose X, you created a master member X which have facility to issue 2 books at a time.
But who is a master member and who is a...
Let's consider admin login. So he has got a facility to create master member type where he creates a member type where he defines what can do this member user. Suppose he created X member type. So how many books he can issue? How many permanent books he can take with him? How many CDs he can take with him? After creating that, when you actually go their library and ask for I want to membership for this library, depending upon choosing your membership type, you get the facility of how many book issues you can do.
Which types of facilities are available?
Then how many book issues you can take at a time, how many permanent books you can issue at a time.
What is the difference?
Permanent books means that should not be written. You can take it forever you want. The second and third point is
Means without an admin login, I can create a member.
no. Admin has a facility. Admin has a rights to create a member.
Right now, you have said that only admin can create a member.
Yeah.
You can issue 2 books or 2 CDs, whatever. But if I am not logged as an admin,
Yeah.
then I can create a member.
No,
Just
you
for
can.
a-
You cannot create a member
Then
without.
how can you specify that this member can have 2 books facility, this member has a 1 book facility?
Admin has a facility to create a member. When you create your
Admin
member,
has a facility.
Yeah.
Who is the other one having facility to create a member?
admin has only the facility to create a member.
Exactly. If admin is having only facility to create a member, then how can he differentiate that this member is having facility of 2 books, this member is having facility of 1 book?
You just give member ID. The system allows whether if he has a facility allowed to issue 2 books at a time.
Who decides this?
While creating the member, the administrator must be able to configure that this particular user is capable of getting these many books at one time. Is the facility there?
Yes.
That's the answer to this question.